Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris Ecom. I just want to quickly show you guys how to create an Ethereum wallet. Of course, there are so many Ethereum wallets all around, but me, I prefer to stay with my etherwallet.com. My ether my etherwallet.com. Anyway, this is a wallet that gives you access to your private key, and it helps you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. And also, the wallet also support any Ethereum based token. What that means is that any token that is being built on top of Ethereum blockchain. So it's always my etherwallet.com, and I will highly recommend you guys to bookmark this particular one. Though I'm going to place it on the description tab. Wow. Okay. It's always okay. So this is a website, my ether wallet lcc lscus myetherwallet.com. Please bookmark it. So once we are on the site, all you need to do is just to click new wallet, and you come here, then you put your password. Let me just give you an overview. So for you to access this wallet, you can as well use a hardware wallet to when you can also link your hardware wallet to this particular website. For me personally, I use the key store file and the private key to access my wallet. So if you are creating this wallet, you have two options. It's either you use the downloaded file, which is known as QStore file, or you use your private key. So all you need to do is just for you to put your password, something that is very hard and you can easily remember. Create wallet, then you download the keystore file. So if you want to access the wallet, it's either you use the downloaded keystore file and your password, or you use your private key. I understand, then continue. So this is my private key. I'm only using this one to demonstrate to you guys, but I'm not going to use this wallet because it has been compromised already. As you can see, you are seeing the private key already. Let's see. So once I'm done, all I need to do is just to highlight the private key and copy it. Then you can save this private key in a hard drive, or let's say in a flash drive, probably in two different flash drive for a backup. But I don't recommend you leaving this in your laptop anyway. Then once you are done that, you can just come send ether and tokens. So you can link up your hardware wallet, your ledger wallet to it, Trezor and the rest. So now since we have the keystore file, so we can either access the wallet using the keystore file and the password, or private key. So if you want to use the keystore file, all you need to do is just select this option. Then you go and select the downloaded file that we just did. Then you put your password. For me, I want to access it using the private key. So whichever one that you're comfortable with, you are all good. Copy and paste your private key, then you unlock your wallet. So we are now in our brand new Ethereum wallet. So you can set your gas price. So me, I just leave it at 29, the default, which is okay. But at times you will need to increase this to 50 or to 40. But anyway, just always leave it at 29. Then gas limit too, at times you will just need to add 2 more zero for the transaction, for quick confirmation of a transaction. So these are our public address now that you can copy and send to anybody for you to receive your Ethereum based token or your Ethereum. Like I said before, you should find a way to secure your private key, because once anybody sees it, he has access to your funds already. And thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.